Hello. Today I will demonstrate how to convert gallons into quarts, pints, cups, and fluid ounces while using methods. The first step is to include an import statement, and in this case I use java.util.scanner because I required input from the user. Next, I named my class and I created a main method. Within the main method, I then declared the variable gallons as double. Next, I create a scanner class, scanner keyboard equals new scanner system.n. I created the scanner class so that the user can use his or her input. Then I ask user to enter the number of gallons. I'm going to be polite. Please enter the number of gallons. Colon, and you want to leave a space and a semicolon. I then want to initialize gallons to keyboard.next double in order for their user to enter their number. Next, I declare the variables quarts, pints, cups, and fluid ounces as doubles. So double quarts, double pints, double cups, and double fluid ounces. I then initialize them to their respective methods. So in case quarts, I'm going to name my methods gal2 core gallons semicolon, and I do the rest to the other variables. So gal2 pints gallons gal2 cups gallons and gal2 Oz gallons. For the next step, I call my show results method to show the results. You want to make sure everything is spelled right, because that's the last thing anyone wants, a spelling error. Because that can get kind of annoying. Next, I'm going to create a method that will convert gallons into quarts. So I'll do public static, and you want to return a double, and you want gal2 core gallons, because you're going to use the gallons variable within this method. And you can just simply return gallons times, and there's 4 gallons there's 4 quarts in the gallons, so you just want to multiply gallons times 4, and it will return gallons times 4, and it will initialize that to quarts, because, we initialize quarts to the method gal to quart. So, yeah. Now you want to do the same for the next few methods. Okay, so because there's 8 pints in a gallon, you multiply gallons times 8. There's 15.8 cups in a gallon, you multiply gallons by 15.8. And since there's 128 fluid ounces in a gallon, you multiply gallons times 128. Next, because you're simply displaying the results, you just want to do public static void, because you're not returning anything, you're just simply displaying it, show results. And this time you want to use all the previous variables like gallons, quarts, pints, cups, and fluid ounces as an argument for this one, because you'll be using all of them. So you want to add all of them into this one long argument and make sure that it's in order. Okay, so then you want to do a print statement, system.out.print, and you want to say something along the lines of this many gallons will equal this many quarts, will equal this many pints, will equal this many cups, and will equal this many fluid ounces, such as this. And now you want to compile it. Remember, when you use gallons as an argument, you want to use because you should always try to remember to use the declaration when using an argument. So this time I'm going to compile, run it, and I'm going to use, 2.5, and there you go. Yeah, so there you go. Converting gallons by using methods.